Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix identity verification failed in Remitly. So the verification error or the generally mistakes happens in the verification using a selfie. So before you take your selfie, make sure you are in a well lit space and your face is clearly visible. When you are ready, open the resolution center in your Remitly app and follow the instructions below. Select take a selfie, review the instructions and select continue. If your phone asks for permission to use your camera, select allow. Sometimes, people don't allow and they feel that the verification is not working, but it is just one click but it is just one click fix to allow and permit the camera to work on the resolution center. And then move your phone so your face is inside the circle and tap the camera icon to record the video or take a picture. While recording the video, you will receive additional instructions on what to do. Review your selfie. If everything looks good, select submit video. If you need to correct something, select retake video. Select submit verification on the next screen. And then next, follow the steps below to upload a picture of your government issued ID. Make sure to that picture be very clear. Your face is very clear and every information inside the ID should be very clear so the team of Remitly can review your application. And then also it is specified here uploading a government issued ID. You need to select government issued ID to begin the process. So if you have chosen passport, you need to upload a passport. Driving license, you need to upload a driving license. Or if it is the ID, you need to upload ID and then take a picture of the front of your ID. Review the picture and make sure the details are easy to read. If everything looks good, select my license is readable. Otherwise, select take a new picture. Take a picture of the back of the ID. Do the same thing as you did with the front of your ID. Select submit verification and they will review the information you sent. So if you wonder how long it takes, it normally takes about 1 hour, but sometimes it can take longer to make sure your identity is secure, and then they will contact you and tell you if the verification was successful or if they need more information from you, and that's it. It is very easy to do it. Just try to follow these steps and you won't see the failure again. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.